Don't let your excitement fade away in the immigration queue. Declare online to land. Ready to enjoy.
Only need to do the quick online procedure 3 days before departure, and you will save hours of waiting at the airport.
Access pre-arrival information site immediately.
prearrival.immigration.gov.vn through web applications, mobile apps, or kiosks at the airport, and access the dashboard with the Entry-Exit Declaration System functionality. First, select your language by clicking on the language box in the top right corner. Choose one of the available languages from the list. The language will switch to your selected language. To submit the declaration online, go to the Create and Submit Pre-Arrival Information section. Enter the verification code. Select your nationality. Next, you need to accurately enter the information in the Personal Information section. This includes the expected arrival date and passport details. At this stage, you can either fill in each field manually or proceed as follows. Click Upload Image, upload a photo of your passport, then wait for the system to automatically scan and fill in the information,
such as passport number, expiration date, full name, gender, and date of birth.
Next is visa information. Click on the box, I have read and understood this information. After that, fill in the complete visa type, number, date of issue, date of expiry, issued place. If there are additional passengers, please select Add Passenger and continue entering information for the remaining passengers. Enter trip information. Enter the departure country before arrival in Vietnam, purpose of the travel, mode of travel, vehicle identification number, border gate. Enter trip information. Enter the type of accommodation address in Vietnam, workplace information, expected date of departure from Vietnam. Press I confirm that the information is correct. Then press Submit. After clicking Submit, the system will prompt you to enter the OTP code sent to your email. Once the OTP is entered, the system will display a QR code, which helps users take a screenshot so they can easily search and modify later if needed. And the system sends an email notification of successful declaration with the declaration code. Search link, supporting users who need to search the declaration again. It takes less than 10 minutes to enter complete declaration information. The steps are very easy. The system interface is user-friendly. If you want to check if your declaration is accurate, it's very simple. Please follow the guidance below. On the main interface, select the Lookup and Update Declaration section. The system will ask you to enter the verification code. After entering the code and pressing Verify, the system will switch to the Declaration Search and Update interface. There are 2 ways to look up your application. 1. Enter your passport number and the file code sent to your email after submitting the declaration, then click Lookup. 2.
Scan the QR code you received earlier to automatically fill in the information, then click Lookup.
At this point, an OTP code will be sent to the email linked with your PAI number and passport number. Please enter the OTP code in the dialog box that appears and press Verify. The system will proceed to check and display the corresponding declaration if the information is correct. Conversely, if the OTP or passport information, file code is incorrect, it will report an error and not display the file. How to retrieve your PAI number if you've forgotten it. Please follow the instructions below. Access the Lookup and Update Declaration section to begin the process. Enter the CAPTCHA code as shown on the screen. Select Forgot Number PAI to continue. Enter your passport number, expected arrival date, and email address to request a new PAI number. The PAI number will be sent to your email again. How to search accommodation information after arrival. Please follow the guidance below. On the main interface, select the Lookup ePass Information section. Enter the verification code. Enter the information: passport number, date of birth, passport expiration date, nationality, to proceed with the search. If the information is correct, the system will display the corresponding accommodation information. Conversely, if the information is not correct, the system will not display the information. That's it. How simple it is.
Thanks to the QR code, the powerful key, from now on, when you arrive at the airport, you just need to scan the code. All entry information is already in the system. No need to wait any longer. Time is shortened thanks to quick and simple procedures. Access pre-arrival information and declare now.